I got 4K Pocket 3 little big guy rolling right now. So yeah, we're gonna stroll around today, around Keansburg a little bit. And yeah, so it's a cool spot. It's great weather today. And yeah, so I was at the Jersey Gardens Mall yesterday and I got the bag for the little big guy Pocket 3 camera. So we're rolling the live stream and the 4K at the moment. And yeah, there's a lot of people on the beach over that way, but we're not going to go over that way, over there, maybe later. We're going to walk towards the amusement park. But yeah, you got Manhattan out there, you got the Verrazano Bridge, you got Brooklyn. It looks like Coney Island from here. I know I've looked this way and from Coney Island, and you can see over here, but you don't really know what you're looking at when you're over there, that you're looking at Keansburg or whatever, as you see the amusement park over that way. So we're going to stroll around the amusement park and everything. Hopefully everyone can hear me okay on the live stream. Let me make sure we're set up okay. I think we're set up pretty good with the live stream. All right, so let's stroll over here. There's not a lot of people on the beach on this side. They're over there behind me. There's quite a few people. I see a lot of umbrellas and stuff. And yeah, the beach is free to get onto. I walked right onto the beach today with no problems. So no payment, you don't have to pay anything. And yeah, so it's pretty cool down here, nice weather. This is more central New Jersey. The Jersey Shore, it's part of the Jersey Shore, but this isn't like as far down as like Seaside and all of that. So this is way more central than those areas. But it's still definitely a nice glimpse of the Jersey Shore when you come down here. This is like, so Keansburg is kind of like an amusement park. So we have an amusement park here, and we have the water park too. There's a water park, a little bit of a water park, a little bit the other way. And you can see the water there and across the way. Pretty sure that's Staten Island across the way there. I can see the outer bridge a little bit. So yeah, pretty cool. And they didn't really, I guess, really mow the weeds here. There's a lot of weeds over here. So we're gonna stroll through here. Let's do this right here, like a little nature walk. We're walking up to the amusement park, and there's some sections with a good amount of people, some people hanging out. Some of the rides are closed today, or they look like they're closed. Maybe not enough people on some of the rides. But there's clusters of spots here with quite a few people, but then you get to certain spots, not so many. The amusement park in Keansburg here, it's not super huge, but it's kind of cool. So let's go. This is definitely the nature side. This is the beach though, but nobody really goes on this part, I guess, so they didn't really keep up on it. It hasn't been like mowed, I guess, whatever you do on a beach to get rid of the weeds, weed killer or something. So if you know how you get rid of weeds on the beach, yeah, drop some information. But yeah, you see, there's Manhattan out that way, Brooklyn, Verrazano Bridge. Nighttime it lights up so nice up here. It's so cool. If I had to guess, Verrazano Bridge is maybe 10 miles across the water there. Maybe a little tiny bit more, something like that. And Manhattan is a good maybe 13 miles, something like that. It all looks less than 15 miles from here across the water, and Staten Island is over there. From what I know, that looks like Staten Island to me. Don't quote me on that, but I'm about 85% sure that's Staten Island. It's not as close here as like Perth Amboy to New York City, Staten Island, or even Elizabeth to Staten Island kind of thing. So let's stroll, let's go. We're gonna cruise up here, and you'll see there is a lot of partying going on up here. So this is the beach here, Keansburg. So this is what's going on the beach today. And there's a pier here, but you can't really go on there unless you have a permit, from what I remember. So it's like the pier there. So you actually need like a permit to go into the pier over there, basically. So let's cruise up here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So just a reminder to everyone, we have two channels. We got the Pibry POV and Pibry and BRYAN Pibry. So we got Pibry POV and Bryan Pibry. Right now the live streams are going on Bryan Pibry, and we dropped the 4K videos on both channels. And yesterday we rocked Jersey Gardens Mall. That's coming before this one. Well, actually it's coming after the live stream, but before the 4K videos. So it's like everything here has its like debut time, basically. And I've been working on the store, the Pibry store, so that's linked to the YouTube. So let's go. Let's stroll through here. But any updates, check the channel information for any updates. That's where I'm putting all the information for any updates of things. Instead of in video descriptions, I just feel like it's just more future-proof. But yeah, right here, they got the Pavilion Grill. Check this out right here. This is a spot right here. A lot of classic rock going on. So they're rocking out with some old school music right now. Oh no, broken glasses. Crazy. Wow. All right, let's go, let's go. So we're gonna come through here. No alcohol beyond this point, it says right here. Okay. So yeah, this is the amusement park section up here. And yeah, it's such nice weather today. The humidity's low. We got no rain forecasted today, which is amazing. So we've been getting hit with thunderstorms on the weekends, and it's been like not much to do on the weekends because it's been crazy weather. Everybody's been kind of like protecting their home. It's been like that lately. So when it comes down to having nice weather on the weekend, we definitely love that. So let's stroll through over here. This is the amusement park section. So there's a lot of amusement rides and games and things like that over here. They got tub toss, prize wheel, ring toss, all kinds of stuff here. Fishing game, pool ball, Keansburg, cool zone, Zapoli's. They got Zapoli's here. They got some decent food. They got like pizza and stuff like that. So you can grab some pizza here and things like that. So we got candy wheel right there. Okay, so let's stroll through this way. We got a fish and sip spot over there. So you got some seafood and all of that. We got an arcade over here. Fresh squeezed lemonade right there, as you see. There's nothing better in the summertime than lemonade. That's the way I see it. That's my 2 cents on that. The most refreshing thing in the summertime. That's just my opinion on that kind of thing. So I like to drink the lemonade when it comes to the summertime. Fresh squeezed lemonade. So we got some games down here. We got bumper cars and all of that. So there's some games right there, hoops and all that. Let me make sure I zoom the camera back out because, my bad. I had the camera in just now on the live stream because we were zooming out. We were zooming out with the water, with the Manhattan, and the New York. That's why I don't really like to touch the zooms and that kind of stuff on cameras, but we were zooming across the water. Anyway, that's for the live stream I'm talking about. But yeah, so I zoomed it back out. We're good. So yeah, we got some people over here. This is a spot with more people over here and this way. All right, let's go. Okay, so yeah, this ride here goes pretty high. Looks like they're coming down though. Yeah, they were just up, it looks like. They have this at Seaside too. Double shot, I guess it's called double shot? I don't know. They have that at Seaside also. So, yeah, pretty cool. We're running into a little internet issue. It happens a lot down the Jersey Shore areas where the transmission goes in and out a little bit. But that is part of the game. So yeah, I came here a little bit later than normal because I purposely did that. It's a little closer to where I live. This is more towards the central Jersey area. And I think from what I've seen, more people start coming a little later here. I don't know if the like 12 p.m. like noontime is like packed or anything. Maybe they leave before I get here. I don't know, before 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. But yeah, so but I'm just saying what I know. It gets a little more lively when you come here, like maybe 4 o'clock or something. But right now it's a little after 5, getting close to 6 actually, I think. So yeah, pretty cool, pretty cool. Yeah, this is Keansburg, New Jersey. They got the ride right here, the little ride going on. Yeah, so pretty wild. So yeah, this is the Keansburg, New Jersey.